Now, where are you? Okay, we're right now in the Belle Mead. They have Samantha doing a dance with her partner on the second floor. So if you want to come up to the second floor, they're almost finished. Okay? I'll see you there. Okay. Bye-bye.
Of course, it didn't work for Liz. Sometimes I wonder